This is Micah Adler from anyonecanfundraise.com, and I'm excited to be here with you to bring you another walkthrough. This walkthrough is going to be of a bit of a different format. What I'm going to do is I'm going to review two separate applications from the Appexchange, and I'm going to tell you which one I think is better, and I hope this will help. Basically, the apps that I'm reviewing will allow you to view YouTube inside your Salesforce instance, and they both have different functionality. So I'm going to get to the review. The two apps that I'm looking at, and I'll show you the app, and I'll show you how I would install the app, and then we'll go from there. So here, the first one I'm looking at this is called, actually I'm going to look at this one first, is a Lightning YouTube container. The way I would look at this is first I would look at the reviews, and I would look at the release date. So release date is 2018, so it was a while back. It's 2021. We all know that for sure. And then I would look at the reviews. The last review was in 2020. There's no really horrible reviews. It is a free app, so there's not much of a price, but yeah, so this is one. This is the Lightning YouTube container. People use it and it still works. What I would do is install it in either a dev org, this is in a dev org, or install in a sandbox. Since this is a dev org, I'm going to say install in production at this point. I'm not going to install it completely. I'm just going to show you where I would go. I would click here and then I would confirm and install. I've already installed this. Second one that I'm going to look at is the Lightning Carousel and Banner. This was last updated in 2019. You can say that the average rating is actually lower. And there's reason for that. In Experience Cloud, it seems not to show up. This is not my use case. My use case is I'm using it in the Salesforce instance, and all of the Salesforce users are able to see like videos on their customized apps that I've created, so that I could walk them through how to use the app with the videos that I've created. So the use case is different. The reviews aren't as good, but for me, in the end, and I'll show you why, this one actually works better for me. So say that I get it now. I've installed the two packages. The two packages are in here in the dev org. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home page, which is here. Actually, I can go from here. This is the home page. And then from here, I'm going to go to the Lightning App Builder. I don't want to go too slow because then it will take too long. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the component. So we have a video banner component and YouTube container component. So I'm going to put the YouTube container component here. And you can see here that you just need to put the YouTube link, but it needs to be the embed link here, and you can control the width and the height. So I'm going to get the embed link, which is here. You don't want the entire iframe, you just want the embed link. So I'm going to just copy that part only, otherwise it doesn't work. And then we're going to go back to the page that I was at, which I think is actually here. And then I'm just going to put the embed link. So then boom, click it here, and then it shows up. If I save it, then you can see it on the home page, and this is you've embedded YouTube. The second one I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this component because I'm going to put in the other one, which is a video banner, which is here. In this one, you actually need to first put the URL, and then there's a lot of different things you can do. You can change the height, the video autoplay, video loop. You can actually put the video controls on there, which I really like. And yeah, this one actually works well for me. I like this one better, even though the reviews aren't as good. And then what I would do is press save and activate. And it's already actually activated in this org as the main home page. So all we really need to do is go back to the home page, and what we can do is we see that the video is there with the controls, and I think it works really well. You can put this on each of your customized applications for the users just to make sure that they know what they're doing, just instructions, a walkthrough. I think this is very useful for me. Hopefully my walkthrough was useful for you, and maybe you can check out these apps if you like. I am not affiliated with either of these companies. I'm just showing you what I think will work well. So thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.